Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add filter to your edits on the ShotCut apps. So I've already imported a video to the ShotCut apps, and to easily add filter to make your videos more beautiful, you can click on the filter apps, the filter button I mean, and then just select the filter that you want to use. For example, I'm going to try the film category, then add this Canon filter like that. And you can always adjust the intensity on how much you want the filter to be applied to your clips. And when you're done, just click on the check icon, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.